In this video, I will guide you through how to get Temu credits for free. Open the Temu app on your device. Tap the Profile tab at the bottom center. Go to Settings. Change your country region to the United States. This step is essential for the process to work. Once updated, the currency will automatically switch to USD. Return to the main menu. Tap Earn Credits and Free Gifts. Select the option for 5 free gifts, then tap Get Now. Choose your 5 gifts from the list, like MacBook, special surprises. Confirm each selection until all 5 area chosen. After choosing your gifts, you will be prompted to enter your shipping address. Fill in the details and tap Save. Even if the address isn't real, confirm it to proceed. On the next screen, adjust the item price to $0. Wait for the animation to complete. You should see your items discounted accordingly. If the process requires invites, use Discord servers instead of asking friends directly. Join active servers and participate in voice chats. Casually mention the offer and ask if anyone's interested. Share your referral link with them. This method helps you accumulate referrals without involving close contacts. And that's how you can earn Temu credits for free without inviting friends or family. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.